Hi guys. So today I thought we would do a baking video. I don't know why I said that so formally. This is not gonna be like a professional baking video. Basically, I have just been wanting to make a minimalist cake and yeah, honestly there's not much to it. It's honestly just a cake that's kind of pretty. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I thought I would make a pumpkin cake. I've never made a pumpkin cake before, so hopefully it goes well. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a pumpkin cake, and then honestly the minimalist part is just gonna be in the decoration, but I think this video would be very short if I only showed me icing a cake, especially because it's just plain icing. So I'm just realizing I forgot to buy one of the things that I need to buy at Trader Joe's. Yeah, okay, let's start with the dry ingredients. Actually, do I want to do that? Actually, I'm going to start with the wet ingredients. So let's start with the eggs. Okay. What was I doing? Oh, fuck, I didn't take out my butter. Wow, my butter is in... Oh, actually, never mind. I don't need the butter. I'm being dramatic. I just have eggs in a bowl. What am I doing? Oh, this is in grams. Okay, I think this is ounces. I should probably have had a second camera on what I'm doing, huh? It looks gross. I don't know what I'm trying to show you. It just looks like oil and eggs and pumpkin. 1.5 teaspoons. I'm just gonna wing the vanilla extract. It actually makes no sense for me to have my baking stuff in these jars because the only measuring cup that fits in here is a 1/4 cup. So I have to do everything in increments of 1/4 cup, which honestly is kind of annoying, and sometimes I lose count, so I have no idea how much I actually put in. But it looks cute. It's starting to look pretty good. No! Why did I do that? No. I do 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, so 4 of these, a pumpkin spice mix. It tastes just like pumpkin pie. I only have 2 small baking pans, so I might have to do it in a couple of rounds. I probably can't put all of the batter in at once. They're going in. Wish them good luck. It's 1:45. I'm assuming they're gonna take about 35 to 40 minutes. So like 2:15 we'll start checking on them, and then I'll fill the last one with some batter, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna ice the cakes, and I'm gonna clean up this mess. Hi guys, it's the next day. I didn't end up finishing the cakes yesterday because I just got tired and lazy and didn't want to do it. So I thought I'd finish the icing stuff this morning, which is Thanksgiving morning, so happy Thanksgiving. But I'm just gonna make a cream cheese icing for the cake, just because that's my favorite kind of icing. I feel like buttercream can be kind of sweet sometimes, but cream cheese icing is kind of tangy, I guess. I don't know. People call it tangy. I don't think it's tangy, but it just has like a little bit of extra something that makes it not that sweet. I honestly hate using my mixer because it's so cheap and janky that stuff just flies everywhere whenever I use it. So I'm gonna do this part in the sink. 3 cups of confectioner sugar. So I have a cake board, and here are my cakes. They look and smell really good. I need to cut the tops off them, which is not my favorite step in the process. But we're gonna go for it anyways. Oh, okay, that's pretty straight actually. That's nice. That's actually really good. Will do. I guess this is breakfast then. Okay, let's actually get to the fun part of this video, which is decorating the minimalist cake. I think I'm going to just fill the insides and do like a crumb coat first maybe. I think I'm gonna put this in the freezer for a little bit while I mix the color into my icing. I just have the Wilton icing colors. I don't know what color I want to do it. I think the color is super important because I feel like the minimalist Korean cakes always have really pretty like pastel faded colors, and these are super bright. And I saw one of the tutorials or the videos I was watching on YouTube, she said that she puts a little bit of brown to make it less bright. But I'm just thinking these are so strong that like the tiniest bit will show up. So I really need to be careful with the brown because I don't want brown icing. Oh, I should also save a tiny bit so that I can write something in white later. I think I'm gonna go for the green. Oh my god, is that green? What does it look like? I don't even know if I can tell, but it's like a super light green, but it's kind of way more on the blue side than I want. Am I colorblind? What color is that even? Oh, I'm sweating. I wasn't expecting this. Guys, I was literally trying to make this color for so long that my camera cut out at some point. I don't even know if you can see it, but I gave up at this point. I don't want to make it any darker. So I'm just gonna keep it at this point, but the consistency is all wrong now. So I'm gonna go whip back some sugar into it, and hopefully it's gonna be back to a pretty frosting consistency. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. That was a long process. Okay guys, we're back after that short, not very short intermission. My cake is cooled. My icing also probably a bit too cooled, but it's back to being thick and frosting like. So that's good. I've got a nice green color. Probably would have wanted it darker, but I don't want to add more color to it, and I was so done with that whole thing. So we're gonna ice this cake and then we're going to be done. Yes! guys, we're almost done. I'm just gonna pipe the letters on top. I think I'm just gonna write Happy Thanksgiving. If this is the part that I mess up, I think I'll scream. Oh my god, it's not gonna fit. It's actually not gonna fit, and it's ugly anyways. I'm scraping it off. We're doing it again. Wow, that's so ugly. Guys, that's it. I can't be bothered to do anymore. I'm not writing it again. It's so ugly, but you know what? Just gonna smile about it. Okay guys, well that's it. I did my cake. I am very over cakes now, and I no longer want to be a part of the Great British Bake Off, even though I wasn't going to be anyways, but I'm over it. I'm done. This is the last cake I'm going to make for quite a long time, and I'm never writing on cakes ever again because apparently that's my breaking point. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, great. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.